Hey guys, MegaBooster46 here. Welcome to another unboxing. Yep, and this time we're going to be unboxing something, and yes, it's another Star Wars book, but this time, it's from the Canon timeline. Okay. Here we go. Yep. Just tape. No biggie. Okay. There we go. Star Wars Battlefront 2 Inferno Squad novel. And this is the novel based on the upcoming video game Star Wars Battlefront 2. The story timeline, which we're gonna have, it's gonna follow Iden. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, her name is Iden. And there's the audiobook on Audible. It's narrated none other than the actress playing the character. Well, forgot her name, but yeah, she's going to be on Star Wars. Battlefront 2 is the character, the leader of the Inferno Squad. It's going to follow her timeline, and the video game will be taking place between Return of the Jedi and The Force Awakens. You like it, in other words? This is possibly a worthy successor of the Canon timeline, and a successor to the game that was part of the extended universe, but now not canon. The Star Wars Force Unleashed games. But the story mode of Battlefront 2 will be canon. And it'll take place during Return of the Jedi and The Force Awakens. Following that character in the Inferno Squadron. The first time you get to play as a female, not a problem. And she's going to be part of the canon storyline. And it's by Christine Gold. Buy it, and if you have Audible, get it for 1 credit, It's better than have to buy the audiobook. Alright, that's going to do about it for another unboxing. And I will see you guys next time. And remember, may the Force be with you always.